Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate pages on Wix. This is a really useful feature because it saves you time and helps you keep a consistent design across your website. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing a business site, duplicating pages can make things so much easier. Let's walk through the steps together. First, head over to your Wix website editor. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and log in with your Wix account details. Once you're inside the editor, you'll see the main interface where all your website tools are available. Now, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Pages and Menu. This section shows you a list of all the pages that are currently part of your website. From here, find the page you want to duplicate. Hover your mouse over that page name and you'll notice 3 small dots appear to the right. Click on those dots and a drop-down menu will open. In that menu, select Duplicate. This tells Wix to create an exact copy of your chosen page, which is perfect when you want to reuse a design without building it all over again. Once you choose Duplicate, the editor will instantly create a copy of that page. It will look exactly the same as the original, but the best part is that you can customize it however you like. To finish up, rename your new page so you can tell it apart. Just type in the new name, click Done, and your duplicated page is ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a page on Wix in just a few clicks. This feature is a real time saver, especially when you need multiple pages with a similar structure. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides to make your website even better.